is finally here. It didn't arrive on time for Christmas, but at least for New Year's Eve, this is here. This is the first product that I buy from a colleague YouTuber, and it's somebody that I have followed for a really long time, probably more than 7 or 8 years. So I'm really happy to be able to support his channel at the same time as receiving, for what I know, a great product. Let's unbox it now. This right here. I opened the bag, but I have not unboxed it yet. Now, a simple box. I know that they are really trying to use really friendly CO2 packages, and I'm glad for that. You can see that it's really stealth, a black box, and right here you have everything. Linus Tech Tips screwdriver. Now on the back you see that is something written right here, and signed by Linus Sebastian himself. Now, designed in Canada. Thank you so much for supporting this new project with us, and we hope you love it as much as we do. Let's see it, that's why I want to unbox it and try it out with you guys. Now, let's open this up. I have really waited a long time for this. Ooh, really nice inside with their LTT orange color. Really good engraving. The boxing is amazing, guys. I really enjoy it. Here is a covered or limited lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty is always something good. And here are some of the additional bits that you can order separately. So let's try it out with the ones that this come. Another thing that I forget inside of the packages. This is maybe almost so important as the screwdriver itself. Where is it? Right here. Right here we have a sticker pack. Let's check it out. I think that when you order this, they come for free, and I think they are completely random. So maybe what I get is not the same that you get. GPU, the screwdriver, right to repair, more FPS, keyboard, wait, there's a lot. The LTT logo, one show logo. Oh, I'm going to stick some of them. They are great stickers, I really enjoy it. The Lambo is even here. Check it out. Now, stickers aside, paper on the way. Here it is, guys. The quality looks really, really good. And here is where you can put your bits. I know they don't put it inside themselves, and I imagine that this is something to save a little bit of the expenses, that the cost of the screwdriver itself, because of the handwork that will be needed to set everything inside of here. I really enjoy it. Oh, did you hear that? I love the sound, it's great. The screwdriver looks great. Now let's take a look at the bits itself. And here they are in black. I don't know if I ordered them in black, I don't remember. But here is the magnet. They have one of the best magnets around for what I have here. I will have to try it out with the time. And here are all the bits. Now, let's take one Phillips. Wow! Did you see that? It's actually not that easy to take out the bit. Now, let me get a couple of screws, set it on the table to test the magnet with a bit inside of here, without the magnet bit, only this one. Because this is one of the things that Linus said that are more important of him when making this screwdriver, that he wanted a really good magnet on it. Check it out. Where I have screws.
3 hours later.
Right here. This is my random screw box for PC building. It's not only screws, have a lot of different things. So let's try it out. Oh. Take a look at that. I hope they were checking. This didn't even take one. This is great, guys. You know the pain that I have had through the years of building computers. I have built already more than 20 PCs. Every time you lose one screw or this fall inside of the case when you already have your motherboard there, and the pain that is to take it. Now let's test out the magnet bit. Okay, let's see if it's even stronger as the other one. Well, what do you think? This is great, guys. I'm really happy about this product. The build quality is really amazing. They did an amazing work with this. Now, Linus Tech Tips didn't send me this screwdriver. I buy it myself. I really wanted to support them, and I think I make a great purchase. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, you will have to go to lttstore.com. If you know, you know. And that is pretty much for this unboxing. I really hope somebody in Linus Tech Tips watched this video. I know I'm a small YouTuber, so I don't think so, but I'm really happy with this purchase that I did, and I can wait to update my PC to start using it. It's more, I have here one old PC. Let's try it for a second out. What do you think? A really old PC that a friend of mine gave it to me and he didn't need it. Let's test it out before I set all the bits inside. Jesus, the magnet is... You don't even need to make any power to be able to set it on, and as you see, wow, guys, I'm really happy with this. I think it's one of the best purchases that I have done, and I hope I can use it for a long time. Now, one thing to know is that the bits are a little bit smaller as regular bits, and they did this because like that, you can set inside of here 2 sets up and down of the holder right here. That is the reason. Now, it's also going to work with normal bits, so it's not a problem for that. But the holder is only going to hold 2 sets of the small one, on top and in the bottom. Now guys, thanks for watching. Go to check out Linus Tech Tips to support their channel. And if you guys are looking for a really great screwdriver for what I believe, this, even if it is a little bit expensive, I think you are going to be using for years and years to come without any problems. The build quality looks great. If something happened, I will let you guys know in this channel. But for the moment, oh, I love that sound. I love this screwdriver. Guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to drop a like, and a subscriber is more than welcome. If you know somebody at Linus Tech Tips, send me this video, maybe they enjoy it, I don't know. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.